The Astra theme is one of the most popular WordPress themes due to its speed, lightweight structure, and customizable features. This guide will walk you through building a website using Astra in WordPress step by step. Setting up WordPress. Before using Astra, ensure you have WordPress installed. Get a domain and hosting. Purchase a domain name and hosting service. Reputable providers include Bluehost, SiteGround, and WP Engine. Many hosting providers offer one-click WordPress installations. Install WordPress. Log into your hosting dashboard and locate the WordPress installation option. Follow the prompts to set up your site, including choosing a site name and admin credentials. Install the Astra theme. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to yourwebsite.com/wp-admin and log in using your credentials. Install Astra. Navigate to Appearance, Themes in the WordPress dashboard. Click Add New and search for Astra. Click Install and then Activate. Install Astra Starter Templates. Astra offers pre-built starter templates for quick website creation. Go to Appearance, Starter Templates. Keep in mind that you may need to install the plugin as well. Choose your favorite page builder, for example Elementor, Beaver Builder, or Gutenberg. Customize your Astra theme. Access the customizer. Go to Appearance, Customize to access the theme's customization options. Global settings. Typography. Set global font styles and sizes for headings and body text. Colors and background. Define primary and accent colors that align with your brand. Header customization. Under Header Builder, modify the site title, logo, and navigation menu. Use drag and drop to arrange header components like the logo, menu, and search bar. Footer customization. Under Footer Builder, design a footer using widgets or text blocks. Add copyright text, social media links, or custom menus. Add pages to your website. Create pages. Go to Pages, Add New in the WordPress dashboard. Add essential pages such as Home, About, Services, Blog, and Contact. Use Astra's pre-built layouts. When editing a page, click Astra options and choose pre-built layouts for quick design. Customize the layout to suit your content. Install and use a page builder. While Astra works with the native WordPress editor, page builders like Elementor enhance customization. Install Elementor. Go to Plugins, Add New, and search for Elementor. Install and activate the plugin. Edit pages with Elementor. Open a page and click Edit with Elementor. Use drag and drop widgets to design sections, add images, text, and buttons. Save and publish. After customizing, click Publish to make your changes live. Add a navigation menu. Create a menu. Go to Appearance, Menus. Create a new menu, name it, and assign it to a location. Add pages. Add the pages you created to the menu by selecting them from the list and clicking Add to Menu. Arrange the order using drag and drop. Customize menu appearance. Use Appearance, Customize, Header Builder to style the menu, including font size, colors, and hover effects. Optimize your website for mobile. Use Astra's responsive options. Astra is mobile-friendly by default, but you can fine-tune mobile settings. In the WordPress customizer, switch to the mobile view to preview your site. Adjust spacing and layouts. Ensure elements like menus, text, and buttons are easily accessible on smaller screens. Enhance functionality with plugins. Install essential plugins. Go to Plugins, Add New, and search for the following. Yoast SEO or Rank Math. Improve search engine visibility. WP Forms or Contact Form 7. Add contact forms. WooCommerce. Add e-commerce functionality. Smoosh. Optimize images for faster loading. WordFence Security. Enhance site security. Activate and configure plugins. After installing plugins, follow the setup wizards to configure settings. Test your website. Preview your site. Click Preview in the WordPress dashboard to see how your website appears to visitors. Check responsiveness. Test your site on different devices and browsers to ensure consistent performance. Fix issues. Adjust setting in the customizer or page builder if any design elements don't appear as intended. Launch your website. Publish your content. Ensure all pages are complete and error-free. Click Publish to make your site live. Promote your website. Share your site on social media and submit it to search engines for indexing. Maintain your website. Update content regularly. Add blog posts or update pages to keep your site fresh. Backup your site. Use plugins like Updraft Plus to create backups. Monitor performance. Use tools like Google Analytics to track traffic and user behavior. By following these steps, you can build a fully functional and visually appealing website using the Astra theme in WordPress. Its flexibility and compatibility with various plugins and page builders make it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced developers alike. Here are some bonus tips to enhance your website building experience with Astra in WordPress. Optimize site speed. Use a caching plugin. Install plugins like WP Rocket or W3 Total Cache to improve your site's loading time. Minify CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. Astra is lightweight, but further optimization can enhance performance. Use tools like Auto-Optimize or settings in your caching plugin. Choose optimized hosting. A fast web host like SiteGround or Kinstock can drastically improve your site's performance. Customize global styles. Preset color palettes. Define a consistent color scheme under Appearance, Customize, Global, Colors to ensure a unified design. Typography consistency. Select a typography that reflects your brand under Global Typography. Pair complementary fonts for headings and body text. Add engaging visuals. Use high-quality images. Compress images with plugins like Smoosh or TinyPNG to ensure they load quickly without sacrificing quality. Incorporate icons. Astra integrates with icon libraries like Font Awesome. Use these for buttons, menus, or highlighting features. Strengthen SEO and accessibility. Set up schema markup. Astra includes built-in schema.org markup to enhance search engine understanding. Use SEO plugins. Optimize meta tags, keywords, and descriptions with plugins like Yoast SEO or RankMath. Ensure accessibility. Make sure your site is accessible to all users. Use contrast checkers and ensure navigation is keyboard-friendly. Add social media integration. Social share buttons. Use plugins like Social Warfare or Monarch to encourage users to share your content. Embed feeds. Add live feeds from Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook using plugins like Smash Balloon. Backup before major changes. Always backup your site before installing new plugins, updating WordPress, or tweaking advanced settings to prevent accidental data loss. By incorporating these bonus tips, your Astra-powered WordPress website will not only look great, but also perform exceptionally well while meeting your business and user needs.